Hi friends, in this video I would like to tell you about a new product of lip band that I tried recently. It is known as paid surveys at home, and all you have to do is do some surveys, give your opinion about a few companies, and you get paid for doing it. So I know you may have heard about some in Make Money Online. You may have heard about getting paid to do surveys, getting paid to give your opinion, but maybe you haven't earned a lot of money from it, because I know most survey sites, they would either disqualify you before giving the reward, or they pay just pennies. So this one, I heard about this site, I was a bit skeptical about trying it, because I know service don't pay well, but I thought I will give it a shot. So yeah, this one is, I'm really impressed with this site. I have earned about 500 per day. I'm earning about 500 per day since I'm tried this site. Just from this paid service company, I make 500 a day, and here it explains how it works. You can read this on the website how it works, and they even offer free bonuses, etc. And the best thing is there is no risk involved, so it does have a money back guarantee if you want to get your money back. And I do, on average, I do about 5 surveys a day, and it can take any time between 10 to 30 minutes, and depending on how long it takes, they decide the reward for it. So if I do 5 30-minute surveys, I am done in 2.5 hours. So it takes less than 30 minutes, less than 3 hours, and I have earned about $400 for 3 hours of work. So it's a good deal. It's worth a try, because it's even have a money back guarantee, as I showed you. So you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. It is best suited for stay-at-home mom, working full-time working, looking for extra cash, people who are looking for extra cash, housewife. It is best suited for this type of people. All you have to do is wake up in the morning, check your email, and click on a survey link, and there will be some questions to answer those questions, and you get paid for doing that. So it is as simple as that. And I will show you my results with paid service. As you can see here, I have yesterday I earned $525 just by doing paid service from paid service at home, just by doing about 5 6 surveys. Day before yesterday again I earned $425 day before yesterday, and I have even, as you can see, I have even withdrawn that money already into my bank account. So it is a great deal. It is worth a try. And it is, as you can see, it is even suitable for newbies. It is suitable for everyone, this company, because all you have to do is give your opinion about a few give your opinion about a few products, companies. That is all you have to do to make money with it. So it doesn't require any technical skills, no experience, no marketing experience, no technical skills, suitable for even newbies. Just sit at home, click on a couple of links, complete a survey, give your opinion, and get paid. It is that simple as that. So you should definitely give this a shot. I will leave my link below this video if you want to give it a try. And as I said, it does have a money back guarantee, so there is nothing to lose and everything to gain. So you should definitely give it a shot. And you can contact me if you have any questions about the company or how to get the paid service. and thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification whenever I upload my next video. Thank you.